Hey everyone, it's Lori MacVittie, and we're here to talk about my favorite topic ever in the whole world, application delivery. And I got Kunal Anand, who's going to introduce himself.
Hi, everybody. My name is Kunal. I'm F5's Chief Innovation Officer, and I am super, super duper excited, Lori, to get to chat with you about some fun stuff today.
When's the last time we had a good talk about application delivery? And that's kind of why we wanted to talk about it, because all of this disruption and the change with AI and the whole, okay, we're going to be hybrid and multi-cloud, that's the way it is, right? Is making people remember that application delivery is like the foundation of making sure apps are fast, secure, and available. Yes, that's the one. So we went through and we talked to a bunch of people and we put together a list of like the top 10 application delivery challenges that we've seen in our 25 plus years of delivering applications for folks. And we wanted to talk through them because some of these are really obvious, like, well, DNS, right? Weak DNS practices contribute to poor performance, problems with delivery. But there are some other ones that we're going to want to talk to that are maybe not so obvious.
Before I think we jump in here, I want to ask you a question, which is why a top 10 list?
I mean, there's so many reasons. Well, one, right, we are in a hybrid multi-cloud world. So there are challenges that our customers, the market has been telling us about for like 10 years now as we've surveyed them. And they always come up and they're very much the same. And a lot of them revolve around different application delivery challenges. And now, as we add AI into the mix and expand the application tier, we have application delivery challenges that people are suddenly saying, well, how do I do this? And so we wanted to provide, the world, the industry, the market, whoever is listening, with a list of the top 10 challenges we've seen in practice, and then how to address them, right? What is the solution? So it's not just, hey, here's 10 problems. We also want to be able to say, hey, and here's the answers to how you solve them.
I think the key thing that you mentioned is we just believe right now is a really important time to re-examine and kind of go back through and understand application delivery, which has changed dramatically over the last couple of decades, right? We're not in just exclusively a physical data center era. We're not exclusively in a cloud era. We're in this hybrid multi-cloud zone now in this space today. Application delivery has evolved. Application delivery has changed. And at F5, we have led and pioneered many initiatives in application delivery over the last couple of decades. And so hopefully for those who are tuning in and listening, they get a sense of the fact that we're speaking with credibility. We're speaking as an organization that has had lots and lots of conversations with many organizations and customers worldwide. And we want to be able to, hopefully inform folks with this top 10 list of why we think these things really matter and why people need to probably pay attention. Maybe not to all of these 10 things, but maybe for some folks, a subset of these things might be interesting for you to think through or contemplate as you evolve your technology stack.
Yes, yes. As you're going into build, right? The OWASP top 10 exists for security, and people use that to say, all right, what do I need to do to secure my apps? And we believe they should have something similar for delivery in terms of, right, availability, resiliency, performance. They should have a similar list to say, okay, what do I need to do where and what do I care about? So we're going to continue to talk about these lists. We kind of ran out of time to dive in right now, but we'll come back and we'll let you talk about your favorites that you've identified in another session. All right? Sound good?
Let's do it.
Excellent. All right. Well, thanks, everybody.